So changing this into degree mode, it's a little bit easier to then figure out what two things either add or subtract to give you that measurement. So cosine of 15 degrees is not on my unit circle. So if I want to find the exact value, I'm going to find two values on my unit circle that either add or subtract to give me 15 degrees. So that's going to be, again, 30 and 45. So this time it's going to be 45 degrees minus 30 degrees gives me 50 degrees. So I'm going to do cosine of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees. And now we look at our formula and we look for the cosine and the subtraction one. And so that's the fourth one down, the last one on the left-hand column. And that is cosine of u minus v. So it's going to be cosine of the first thing, cosine of 45 degrees, cosine of the second thing, 30 degrees. And then plus sine of the first thing, sine of the second thing. Okay, and so now we know all those values because they're on the unit circle. So I'm going to go ahead and fill those in right now. The 45s are radical 2 over 2, comma radical 2 over 2. 30 degrees is radical 3 over 2 and 1/2. And then we simplify, so radical 6 over 4. Oh, there goes my dog Riley in the background. Radical 2 over 4. So it is radical 6 plus radical 2 all over 4. All right, next one. We got tangent of 75. So that is 45 degrees plus 30 degrees will give me 75 degrees. So now I'm going to look at the tangent one, and this one is where we're adding. So I look, and that's the right-hand column. The tangent one that's adding is tangent of the first one, so 45 degrees, plus tangent of the second one, tangent of 30 degrees, all over 1 minus tangent of the first thing, 45, times tangent of the second thing. Okay, so then we don't have to do too much simplification with this. We can leave it as like fractions and fractions because we don't want to get unnecessarily complicated when we don't have to. All right, so tangent of 45 is 1 plus tangent of 30, that is the y divided by the x. So when we do tangent of 30, it is going to be radical 3 over 3 all over 1 minus 1 times radical 3 over 3. And that's it. Final answer. I mean, you could multiply top and bottom by 3 to get rid of, but I'm okay with you just leaving it like that as your final answer. All right, on to the back.